Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put this one go to the left, dy and dx will go to the right. Next, I will put s go to the right. Next, we have s and first derivative of s. This is about linear differential equation. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu y equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that negative number 1 next to s, that is for integrating factor. So I will put negative number 1 going here. Negative number 1 dy. And we have e to the power of negative y. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ap. So the integration of that one, we have se to the power of negative y. Now, I want to concentrate on this one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to y. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides. dv, we have e to the power of negative y dy. The integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative y. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive, and we have the integration e to the power of negative y dy. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative y, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. Now we divide both sides by e to the power of negative y. And this is the final answer. That is the end. Thank you for watching.